Hi builders, welcome to the Social Proof tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk, I'm your success coach, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you an overview of the Social Proof tool and also advise you which tools within the platform you can use to connect the Social Proof to. First, it is a good idea to always go and create your Social Proof first within the app before actually integrating it with all the specific tools. And the reason for that is because it will save you some time to move in between the two apps. Now, the tools that you can use Social Proof with is the booking app, e-learning, super checkout, the members area within the website, mailing boss, our website builder, and the contact form, as well as the webinar. Now, below this interview, you're going to find the tutorials on how to integrate the Social Proof with each of those tools. So let's get started with the dashboard. Right here, you'll see that under the activity area, you would be able to filter it according to 7 days, 30 days, as well as all time. And then you will be able to see the click that is happening on that specific campaign, the records that has been accumulated or collected from the different apps, as well as how many campaigns you have. Now, if you've got multiple campaigns, you will see right here under my campaign area, you will see the name of the campaign, the ghost records, how many ghost records you've got, the subscribers, as well as the amount of clicks. Now, if you are speaking a language that does not reflect in this app, you can go and create your own by clicking on Create New Translation. In this example, I'm just going to type in a language. You're going to see it will be created right here at the bottom. You need to click on the pencil, and you're going to have to change the following information to the language of your choice. So for an example, if I want to change that one, that would be the language, and you're going to do it for all of them. Once you are done, you're going to click on Save. Now you can see it's been saved. It says translation saved. Now you can choose to delete this by clicking on the dustbin and say yes. Now, when you are ready to start a brand new campaign, you can either go to the dashboard and click New Campaign, or you're going to go to the left-hand side and click on New Campaign. Again, we need to give it a name. So in this example, I'm just going to say Builderall. And the action label that I want the people to actually see is going to say Buy Now. And then you need to have the application chosen that is going to collect that information for you. So you can see we've got e-learning, webinar, there's quite a lot you can choose from. For this example, we are just going to have it by a contact form. And then the URL to go to once the person actually click on that button. So in this example, we are just going to send them to Builderall. And then you can choose your translation. I'm just going to go with the English. And then the pop-up timing intervals between every time that the pop-up comes up, how long must it take before it shows the next one? So we're just going to go this by 10. And then the duration, how long must that specific pop-up be available before it goes to the next one? And then the pop-up appearance could either be default or you can choose dark. And then you need to upload your icon. Please note that there is a specific size for it. So I'm just going to choose something that I've got on my computer. We're going to scroll down and you're going to see show user location and display on mobile. You can choose if you want to activate this by just sliding it. If you don't want to, you can just leave it as gray. And you can also choose the position of where it needs to be shown. So at the moment, bottom left is going to be right here on the left-hand side. Now, if you're good with coding, you can also go and add some CSS right in this area. So now I'm just going to click on Create. And you can see that the campaign was created right here in this area. It's going to tell us all the information that we need once it is active. So what we're going to do now, the first one is a pencil telling you that you would be able to go and edit the campaign. You can also embed. And then you've got the campaign analytics. Once people are starting going through it and you click on it, it's going to tell you exactly how many clicks has happened. Right next to it is records. Records is basically the people that are subscribers that you have seen inside of the campaign that's going to be collected in that area. Next to it is ghost records. If you are maybe somebody that has started new and you've got a few subscribers already, or people that has purchased your product and that have agreed that you can use them, you can go and add ghost records right here. Now all you need to do is click on add ghost records, give it a name, a country, a city if you want to display a city, and the timing that it needs to be. When did this person actually made a purchase? So you can choose by days and hours as well as minutes. And then we're going to click add record. So now you can see we've got a record there. You can have multiple records, not just this one that is going to filter. And obviously, as people are going through the system, there will be new ones being added. So now I'm going to just slide this because I want the ghost record to be shown. If you don't want to, you can slide it off, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then I'm going to close. So now you can see right here in this area, we have got the ghost user there at that stage. It would be the subscribers when people are subscribing to it, and as well as how many clicks. Then next to that area is delete campaign. If you no longer want to make use of this campaign, you can just click on delete campaign. And this is all for this overview tutorial. Please make sure to go watch the other tutorials to see how to integrate it with the different tools. I'll see you again. Bye.